I've got a new electric scooter. We're gonna get this unboxed and get it assembled, and I'm gonna take it on a test ride. Let's see what's in here. Of course, you got your charger. Get the handlebars out, get the scooter out. Got the manual and the instructions here. Let's get the handlebars on and see what we can do with it. To assemble the handlebars, we're just gonna remove that from the plastic. You have this cable here you have to push down into the tube. That push down in like so. And then we're going to push the handlebar in. They send a nice multi-tool. You got 4 screw holes, 2 in the back, 2 on the front. Take your bolts and then screw it into this hole. Like I said, you got 4 to do. All right, once it's in there, you're just gonna take and tighten everything down. Now that I have it put together, there's a few things that I'm excited about. It's a little bit stronger motor than some of the others I have, so I'm excited about that. It does come with its charger. The tires are pneumatic. They send an extra inner tube. That means that the ride should be a little bit smoother than the hard rubber tires that typically come on scooters like this one. This one does fold up. So you pull a little switch here and then pull out with the thumb, and then this will lay over and lock down so that you can carry it. That one's pretty light. It's lighter than my other scooters. I like that. To get it back up, there's a little lever. You just grab it, come back up, and lock everything into place. To operate the scooter, press and hold the power button. Once the power is turned on, 1 click turns the headlight on or off. 2 clicks changes the mode. Right now it's in eco. 2 clicks to drive, and 2 clicks goes to sport. 3 clicks will change the unit of measurement. 4 clicks changes whether you have to kick off to start the scooter or if it just goes. So let's give it a test ride. This is gonna come in pretty handy to go get my mail since I have this new longer driveway. If you're looking for a new scooter, check this one out.